Albert and Possible Finance both solve the same problem, getting cash before payday, but they work in completely different ways. Albert gives small cash advances inside a finance app tied to your bank activity. Possible Finance works more like a short-term installment loan you repay over time. That difference affects how fast you get money and how repayment feels. By the end of this, you'll know which app is easier to qualify for, how repayment actually works in both, and which one fits you depending on whether you need fast cash or more structured payments. Albert's cash advance feature is built around your bank account activity. The app looks at your income patterns and spending behavior to decide if you qualify. If you do qualify, you can request a small advance directly in the app. The key point here is speed and simplicity. Everything happens inside one app, and you don't deal with a traditional loan application. Possible Finance works differently. It provides installment-based loans instead of a single cash advance. That means you borrow a set amount and repay it in scheduled payments. The approval process also relies heavily on your banking history, but the structure is closer to a small loan than a paycheck advance. Here's the practical difference. With Albert, you're usually dealing with short-term cash gaps. You get money quickly, and it's expected to be repaid on your next payday cycle. That makes it useful for things like a surprise bill or covering groceries until your paycheck hits. With Possible Finance, repayment is spread out. That reduces pressure in the short term, but it also means you're managing the loan over a longer period. It feels more like a credit product than a quick advance. So the decision comes down to how you handle repayment timing. If you want something fast and simple that clears quickly, Albert is the more direct option. If you need more breathing room and prefer smaller payments over time, Possible Finance fits better. Quick summary. Albert focuses on fast, short-term cash access. Possible Finance focuses on structured installment repayment. Both depend on your banking history, but they solve different types of money gaps. 1. Practical step. Before using either app, check your upcoming income date and your essential expenses. That tells you whether you need a quick advance or a longer repayment plan. If this breakdown helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple comparisons of finance apps and cash advance tools.